Good afternoon, friends. Today we shall be discussing regarding TDS on rent. There is a lot of confusion between section 194I and 194IB. Let me clarify that TDS on rent is to be deducted by the person who has to pay the rent at the rate of 2% on plant and machinery, furniture, fixtures, etc. given on rent, and at the rate of 10% on building, land, and any office, etc. And liability to pay TDS on rent starts if the rental per month is more than 20,000 per month. And it is applicable for all the assessees, but in case of individuals and HUFs, it is applicable only and only if their turnover is subject to tax audit as per the Income Tax Act. Otherwise, no individual or HUF is liable to deduct TDS on rentals. And regarding section 194IB, which has been introduced in June 2017, I may clarify that it is applicable for all the individuals and HUFs also, and there is no limit of their turnover being subject to tax audit or not. But TDS at the rate of 10% is to be deducted under section 194IB on building rent if the rental per month is more than 50,000, and that deduction is to be done once in a year on the date of completion of the tenancy or 31st March, whichever falls earlier. Means there is no need to deduct tax at source every month, and there is no need to file return of TDS on rent on monthly or quarterly basis. This activity is to be done only once in a year, that is in March, or if the tenancy is going to be concluded during the financial year in any month, in that case, in that month, TDS has to be deducted.